Welcome back to Auto Garage, the place where performance meets luxury and innovation hits the road. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest car launches, reviews, and automotive tech. Today, we're diving into something truly spectacular. The next generation 2025 Bentley New Series has just been officially unveiled, and it's everything you'd expect from the iconic British marque: luxury, craftsmanship, power, and a bold step into the future of grand touring. The 2025 Bentley New Series is a masterclass in automotive design, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. On the outside, the car sports a more aerodynamic silhouette with smoother lines and a lower stance. The signature Bentley grille is now wider and bolder, flanked by sleek crystal-cut LED matrix headlights that make a powerful statement even when the car is standing still. Under the hood, Bentley is offering two main powertrain options. The first is a refined 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 delivering 542 horsepower, while the second is an all-new plug-in hybrid V6 engine producing 536 horsepower with an impressive electric-only range of 50 miles. The hybrid version is Bentley's step toward a more sustainable future without compromising on performance or luxury. Both models boast an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive, ensuring a smooth and powerful drive under any conditions. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Bentley New Series is a true sanctuary. Every inch is wrapped in premium materials, from hand-stitched leather to real wood veneers sourced sustainably. Bentley has also introduced a new customizable ambient lighting system with 30 color options, along with an advanced noise-canceling setup that ensures a whisper-quiet ride. The infotainment system is a standout, featuring a 12.3-inch high-resolution OLED touchscreen that rotates into a 3-panel analog display when not in use, combining tech and tradition in typical Bentley fashion. Rear passengers are treated to individual entertainment screens, massage seats, and a mini refrigerator tucked between the seats for that ultimate VIP experience. Now let's talk about driver assistance. The new series includes Bentley's most advanced suite of safety and convenience features to date, including adaptive cruise control, night vision, automatic parking assist, lane keeping aid, and a 360-degree camera system. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Bentley New Series starts at approximately $245,000 for the base V8 model, while the hybrid variant begins at around $265,000. Of course, with Bentley's Mulliner customization program, the sky's the limit if you want to tailor your car to your exact tastes. With the new series, Bentley proves once again that it knows how to evolve without losing its identity. This is a car for those who demand elegance, performance, and modern innovation in one seamless package.